it's giveaway time! A few months ago we were contacted by a gentleman called Owen Lees. Owen's a really nice chap. He is a passionate sailor and he is involved in teaching the next generation of sailors too. At the end of last year, Owen ran a successful Kickstarter campaign. As a result of that, he has now launched a set of products which are really useful for sailors. And here they are. They're navigational training aids. The ones which excite me the most are these ones, because I always use a whiteboard on board, and whenever I'm briefing Rossella or any other crew that we've got on board, I always use the whiteboard because it's a great way of getting information across, and that really helps you to prepare yourself for situations, and it makes everything run smoother. With the addition of these magnetic pilotage models, this just becomes a million times easier. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say we're going to be coming into this slip. We don't need to worry about the flow, in that case, the tidal flow. But let's say we've got the wind coming from here. Okay, Rossella, what we're going to do is we're going to be taking a good run up, reversing into the slip. As we come in, your job is to stand on the starboard side at the stern, collect the line which is on top of that pile, and put that onto the cleat on the starboard side of the boat. And then once you've got your line on, I'll continue to hold the stern and you can come back and help me get a line on the starboard aft cleat. Okay, that's just an example, but as you can see, having a model like that, it just makes the whole thing much easier. We can do the same out on the river or at sea. We can talk to our crew and communicate about the exact plan of attack and roles and responsibilities on board during any given manoeuvre. You can also talk about coal regs, port tack, starboard tack and all that good stuff. And you can also look at other things such as cardinal buoys. These are some mini buoys that nautiNav offer, and you can go through different situations with your crew and it just makes it really quick and easy. So for me and us on this boat, these are absolutely fantastic. nautiNav also offer lots of different kind of training aids, for example the cardinal buoys here, and these are modular, so you can take them apart and then you can have a kind of jigsaw puzzle to put them back together again and see if you can remember the way they go. So the north cardinal there, black at the top, pointing that way, and then we've got the east, black top and bottom, yellow in the middle, and the day shape. I distinctly remember about 12 years ago, Rossella and I were sailing on Lake Garda at night, and I remember seeing flashing lights and racking my brain about what that meant. It was a rocky area, and it was actually a west cardinal buoy, and using binoculars and a powerful spotlight and kind of trawling through the depths of my memory, I was able to work that out, but it wasn't a good situation. And really you need to just know these off by heart. You see the lights or you see the day shape, you should know immediately what they are. Also, it's not impossible for the day shape to corrode and fall off, so you may come across a buoy like that out at sea, and if you've got to grips with this concept and you know it off by heart, then you know that with the black at the top, that's a north cardinal, even if the day shape isn't there. They've got all kinds of different buoys, and again they're all modular, so if you want to learn something quickly or if you want to test somebody, then you can put these on a table, take them apart, and then if you can put these back together, you know that you've got a good grip on the IA-LA Region A or Region B systems. Bit of trivia, did you know that in the 1970s there were over 30 different types of buoyage systems in use around the world? They've now got it down to 2. There are not that many differences between the two systems now, so it's a lot better now than it was 40 or 50 years ago. nautiNav sell both IA-LA Region A and IA-LA Region B, so wherever you are in the world, they've got you covered. These are, in my opinion, a fantastic training aid, and I'm sure that a lot of sailors will learn the buoyage system thanks to this product. So what about the giveaway then? Well, Owen's been really kind and he has got 5 sets to gift to people. 2 people can get the Ultimate Pro Pack, which is the pilotage set and a full set of buoys, and 3 people can get mini buoy sets, and you can get them sent for free anywhere in the world. All you need to do is click on the link in the description below this video. That'll take you through to the sign up form. You just enter your details, that will come through to myself and Rossella, and then we will pick 5 lucky people and we will email you, and we'll send you a discount code by email, 100% discount code. Then you just enter that into the website and then you'll order the parts directly from nautiNav, and that will be shipped free of charge anywhere in the world. So thank you very much, Owen, for that. and thank you for these. They're a fantastic product and we wish you all the best for the future. For the record, this is not a paid advert or anything like that. This is just a product that we love and we're happy to share it with you because we believe in it and we think that you're going to like it. So click on the link, enter your details, and then good luck, and we'll be in touch with 5 lucky people at some point soon. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, ciao! At the end of last year, he ran a successful now got it down to 2 IALA Region A. It's quite a mouthful. nautiNav sell both IALA Region A and IA. nautiNav.